Hi all, so we're going to be doing a oil and filter change on the Peugeot Metropolis. In order to do it you're going to need a few things which I shall show you here. So this is the drain plug here, this is the oil filter, and before we start we are going to release the oil filler plug too. This should be done with the Metropolis on its stand. My drain receptacle or my oil receptacle doesn't fit very well with it on the stand, so I'm going to be doing it with the parking brake on and the static the lock suspension system on as well. So but the manual does state that you should do it with when it's on its center stand. So we want to do the oil fill plug. And just taking the old gasket off. There's a new one here. Fits on there like that. So that's the old filter off. So once that's all drained out, you get your new filter. Take the protective plastic off. You need to put a little bit of oil on the O-ring here so that it forms a good seal. I just dab a little bit of the old oil on, nice and lubed on there. Give the old area a clean. Offer up your filter. And then gently place it there. hand tight. The manual says it's 14 Newton meters torque to do it up. Some people just say to do it hand tight and then give it a quarter turn. Whatever you do, don't do it really, don't ramp it up really tight. Doesn't need it. So I've got a torque wrench. I'm going to set mine to 14. There you go. New gasket on. And drain bolt in, and we're going to tighten that to 14 Newton meters. Right, so fully synthetic 540 Valvoline I'm using. Manual says it takes 2 litres, so I got 2 1-litre bottles. Probably not the cheapest way of doing it, but couldn't get any larger bottles of the 540, so that's what I'm doing, and that's it basically. Thanks very much. Bye.